प्यारे बच्चों, today class begin small letters. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ink, J for joker, K for kite, L for line, M for monkey, N for nest, O for oil, P for pharmacy, Q for coin, R for rose. S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for 3 max, Y for york, Z for zoo. Small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Subscribe, share, like. Thank you.